Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Statistics problems involving p-values often confuse students, but we can master this concept quickly by breaking down the definition and checking the test direction right now. The p-value is the probability of observing a result as extreme or more extreme than our sample, assuming the null hypothesis is true. It is a conditional probability based on null. Our alternative hypothesis is p is greater than 0.67. This means we look for the probability of the test statistic being 2.38 or greater, which matches our right-tailed test perfectly. Options C, D, and E incorrectly treat the p-value as the probability of the hypothesis itself. Option A misses the or greater condition. Only B correctly describes the tail probability. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid misreading the tail and always use the conditional probability rule for your final answer.